In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel orders on Squarespace. If you need to cancel an order in your Squarespace store, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your dashboard without any confusion. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and make sure you're on the main dashboard for the website connected to your store. From there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. This is where you can access all of your store settings and management tools. In the menu on the left, click on Products and Services. This section is where Squarespace groups together the tools related to selling, managing inventory, and handling customer purchases. Once you open that area, you'll be able to move into the Order Management section. Next, select Orders. After clicking this, Squarespace will take you to the page where all of your store orders are listed. This list gives you an overview of purchases made through your site, so you can review them and take action when needed. If you have a lot of orders, take a moment to carefully find the one you want to cancel so you don't accidentally choose the wrong purchase. Here you will see your list of orders. Browse through the list and select the order you want to cancel. Once you open the correct order, look for the Cancel option. Click Cancel, and that's it. The order will be cancelled. As you do this, it's always a good idea to double-check that you've selected the right order before confirming the cancellation. This helps avoid mistakes, especially if multiple orders look similar or were placed around the same time. If you manage a busy store, taking that extra second can save you time later. And that's all there is to it. To cancel orders on Squarespace, go to Products and Services, select Orders, find the order you want to cancel, and click Cancel. It's a quick and straightforward process once you know where these settings are located. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.